In One World Martial Arts, our flag and our black belt patch are the same. The symbolism of our flag is as follows. Our emblem is placed inside a field of white. This emblem was created by me, Sayaji Daniel Carroll, through a long process of questions, research, and a goal to respect the origins of our art, but to look forward to the continued evolution of delivery of that art. This flag includes philosophical understandings from cultures of Burma or Myanmar, China, Korea, Japan, and the United States of America. The emblem is described as follows. At the top of this emblem is a set of crossed swords. The kukri, which is the spirit sword of our art, is crossed on top of the kopis. The kopis was the sword used by Alexander the Great when he conquered the known world. The kopis was the inspiration for this style of curving blade, and the kukri evolved over the millennia from that design. The crossed swords symbolize the meeting of Eastern and Western martial techniques, and that through blending of compatible styles, we can achieve superior understanding of the martial way. Below the crossed swords is a triangle that contains the yin and yang symbol. The yin-yang touches the sides of the triangle, thus creating three small triangles in the corners of the design. These three triangles are colored red, white, and blue. The yin-yang symbol is common in the philosophies of Korean, Chinese, and to an extent, Japanese philosophy. Yin-yang is an ancient Taoism concept that examines the existence and interactions of opposing forces in the world. It is represented by the Tai Chi symbol, a circle with black and white shapes existing in equal proportion inside its outline. Although the philosophy of yin-yang is quite complicated, it can best be summarized for our use as a belief in the value of balance. The large triangle is representative of the concept that beyond the dualism of yin-yang is the reality of quality. That truth is not contained in yes or no, or black or white, that the individual is complex, and that the martial artist is concerned with quality of life, action, and thought. To strive for the perfection is not an action that results in success or failure, but that the pursuit itself is a worthwhile goal. The triangle does not negate any concept of yin and yang. It contains it as an essential part of its structure. Each smaller triangle represents a facet of our existence. The bottom red triangle represents the self. It is red to represent the blood in our body. The 3 points of the triangle represent our birth, life, and death, and remind us that what we have is but a handful of years on this planet, and that we must be humble in our awareness of how insignificant we might be. We realize that we must strive daily to make positive impacts during our life. The bottom triangle on the other side is blue and represents our world and our family obligations. The blue represents the sky we live under all of our days. Each point on the triangle represents ourself, our family, and our friends. These are the people we live to serve, protect, and love. They are why we strive for martial perfection. We recognize that our person is as important as others, and that we must love ourselves as much as we love our family and friends. The top triangle is white, and it represents the place we occupy in the universe. The white represents the purity of thought and action we strive to maintain during our life. The 3 points of this triangle represent the physical, emotional, and spiritual health of ourselves, and the understanding that our differences in philosophical belief make all of us stronger as a people, not weaker, and that different ways of life are to be encouraged and defended, not feared. All of this is on that field of white, surrounded by a circle of red outlined in blue. The 3 colors represent the American flag colors because we are living in a country that affords us the opportunity to train without intervention or threat of coercion, and we wish to respect that freedom.